Hi, I'm Mr. Plant Geek. Here are 10 of the weirdest, wackiest houseplants that you can grow in your home. Number 1 is a lava plant. Now this fern is growing completely on lava. There's no soil, there's no compost. It gets all the nutrients it needs from this real lava. Just top it up with water once a week and keep it happy. Next up, now this is perfect for dry January. This is a plant that smells of gin and tonic. It really has an amazing aroma. It makes a great house plant for a north-facing windowsill, or plant it outside in the summer and you get lots of star-shaped flowers. Spider plants, now these are loved by kids and adults alike. They produce their own little babies, which you can root in water or in soil. Now this is a plant growing completely in water. It's called an Antherium, and the water, you need to change it every couple of weeks, but also keep this plant out of bright sunlight. So make sure that you follow those 2 rules and you can have a lot of fun with hydroponics. The Bishop's Cap Cactus. Now this is amazing because it doesn't have any spines. So if you've got pets or kids in the home and you want to grow cactus, this is the one for you. The most famous, weird and wacky plant of all has to be the Venus flytrap. It's incredible. It catches flies by triggering the hairs on the pads, and it's amazing. But don't try and overfeed it because it only needs a couple of insects per year to supplement the poor mineral soils that they grow on in the wild. Here's another water plant for you, Marimo moss balls. They're basically balls of algae that have collected up on the riverbed, and they're here as a pet for your home. Now this looks like a really strange intestine. This is called Pangolin Kisses. It's a succulent too, so that means it's going to hold on to a lot of its own water, which means you need to water it less. Mind your own business? I'm not being rude, but this is the common name for this plant. It's amazing. It grows a few centimeters every week and you can use it as a house plant or a little plant outdoors in a sheltered corner, perhaps as ground cover in a moist area. And then finally we have this. This is ginger. It's the real ginger, and the rhizome at the bottom you can use in your recipes as well. But of course, I don't think you want to harvest the rhizome because you want to enjoy those gorgeous bronze leaves. So there's a quick guide to a few weird and wacky houseplants that you can grow. Have fun getting to know them.